Do you want a quick and easy meal that's full of flavor? Let's make it. First, I like to start by chopping my vegetables. Here I have my scallions that I chop in small pieces. Next, I chop my red bell pepper. I usually chop it long ways, but you can chop it into cubes as well. Last, I chop my onions into small pieces. This dish is great because it lets you add tons of flavor through vegetables. I add the vegetable oil to a heated pan. I make sure to spread the oil around. Then I go on to add minced garlic and onions. I'll let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the onions are translucent, and then I'll add the scallions. Cover and allow to fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the lid, stir, and add the red bell peppers. The red bell peppers should be added last. It's important for the red bell peppers to be added after the onions and scallions since they release water while cooking. Add the corned beef to the pan. This is the corned beef I use, but you could use any corned beef you prefer. Be sure to break it up in small pieces with the fork. I start by adding paprika, then the ground thyme, followed by black pepper, next cayenne pepper, and last but not least, ketchup. Next, I mix everything together before adding water. Add a half a cup of water to the pan and cover to allow it to cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Once the water has cooked off, flatten the corned beef in the pan and turn the stove to a low. Allow it to cook for additional 3 to 5 minutes undisturbed to allow the remaining moisture to cook off. And the corned beef is done. Place on top of mashed potatoes or rice. Check out more of our videos here on YouTube or go to platedplanner.com for more recipes. Thanks for watching.